Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, all right, man, okay, we're gonna go
Oh yeah, yeah,
without
yeah.
like no real retrace, and then it comes back all the way down. I was like, bro, I think this was like a few days ago, and then bro, we were like in a like the volume's just so large, bro. I took like an 800, $900 loss.
Come
That
here.
shit, bro. I was like, holy fuck,
Come here.
that shit cooked me, bro. I'm never doing that shit again.
Is that better? Feel better? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Feel better?
first jacking his dog off.
Oh man, I can't decide whether I want to stay. Really want to head for my TPs.
What, are you still in it, Dustin?
I am. The ES is really stuck on
This
this
is scary.
analog. I hope we're just you know generating liquidity to push through, and then we make another strong move higher. I'm probably 30 points away from my next TP.
Wait, oh fuck.
Come here, buddy. Good. One swallow.
We're also hanging up on the 4-hour open. Cute.
What the fuck is wrong with you, bro?
That's looking good. I'm just in that trailing drawdown phase, so I'm like super nervous to give anything back. You know what I mean?
Bro, I totally feel you.
Oh, but I'm trading so small that should be okay. You know?
My dog is like going. He's doing some weird shit.
I know, you just violated the nigga too.
No, because I'm trying to stop him from. I'm trying to stop him from doing it because he must be like uncomfortable. But he's going. And then
Bro, I
stop
just
him.
passed another top step account just now too.
Good man.
That's fucking good.
So how many does Top Step like? Nice, that's sick. What? How many accounts does Top Step let you have? Just 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, just 5.
Because I've stayed away from Top Step so far up until now, but I've been curious because now I can use the Sync Trader. So I mean, what are their rules kind of the same as like Apex, or how are they different?
No, way better.
Bro, they got no rules. You just have to have your account, your trades closed by like 3 p.m. CT or some shit. I can't remember.
So the only rule you'll need is like, we'll look into the. I know they have a smaller drawdown than Apex. It's end of day drawdown, not trailing. And to take a payout, you need 5 winning days of $150 or more.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. And then you can take what the half of your profit out, and then the remaining half will be your
Drawdown for live.
buffer.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
buffer. Yeah.
Oh, so like there's no like you don't have to build up a $1,500
Yeah, exactly.
buffer.
So
No,
you make
no
your
buffer.
buffer with whatever payout you get from the 5 days, or if you want to trade more, you can. But that's like really the only rule.
Huh. Well, I mean, for how we we trade this, that's fucking not bad.
Exactly.
We just
You only
touched that
need
previous week.
5 trades.
by the
It's
way.
not bad at all.
Just touch the previous week mid so we could reject off this level.
Yeah, that's a really big level.
Don't they have a 2-step eval?
What do you mean? Oh yeah, they do. So you need it's 2 days of pass. You can't make more than like half of it's like in 1 day. So I'm not sure. I think the way you trade, if I'm could be wrong, I don't think that would be really a problem for you.
No, not at all.
Yes. So you
So
violate
what-
that rule anytime soon.
What's the minimum number of days to go from buying an account to your first payout?
5 days. You only need a minimum of 5 days of $150. You don't. There's no minimum.
Oh, okay. So like 2 days to pass the eval and 5 days to your first payout.
Yeah.
Okay. Express funded, buy funded.
You should look into it. It's
Yeah, I got it open now.
I'm trying to fucking rent them.
Well, I've got because Dustin was talking about the take profit traders, and I've got those, and I like those because I can pull every day once I want to. And then with Sync Trader, now I can run every prop firm, like, and just fucking see who pays me, see who doesn't. So
Best part is,
Good thing about go ahead, Jim.
best part is you can hedge the prop firms. Have 10,
Yeah.
5 one way, 5 the other.
Now, JM's onto something, bro. Bro, they're always like, oh yeah, if we find out, you'll get banned. How you gonna find out, bro?
I asked Apex and they said that there's no rules against it. You're allowed to copy trade with other prop firms, but it's if you're hedging. Which is fair enough, like completely fair enough.
Damn, London highs are in the cards.
Yeah.
Still have 2 micros as a run.
What a great day. This is a great Monday, bro.
Yeah, it is.
yeah, made 470, and I'm not even awake yet. I love this.
Huge.
Not even awake yet.
So I haven't even finished my first water yet.
Bro, I went to a farm and I picked up some like raw milk and like some raw shit.
How's that taste?
Bro, it tastes hella good.
We
Actually.
just- we just-
imagine.
We're,
The raw shit?
we're rejecting.
Yeah, so imagine like. Go ahead, you.
We're rejecting so hard off of that 5 minute. We tapped into that 5 minute now, and we are just fucking rejecting.
15-minute as well.
Yeah. Yeah, but probably add in a bit more context. I might get 15. So just see how this move holds. We could just get a crazy reversal here, but
Yeah, so imagine James like whole milk you get from the grocery store, but like creamier.
more come here.
Yeah, more cummier.
Come here. Come here.
I ain't even getting started on the raw cream. That shit's like I can drink that shit by the gallon. So good.
Is it heavy on your stomach though?
Has to be.
No.
If it's creamier, it's thicker. It has to be.
Actually, for me, it hasn't been. So, like with raw milk, right? It has lactase in it, which you don't usually get with pasteurized milk because they pasteurize it. So,
What? So they don't have lactose in normal milk in America?
lactase. No, so lactase is the enzyme that helps digest the lactose,
Ah,
which is what a lot of people are like have problems with.
Have that enzyme, and they're allergic to lactose.
So, raw milk preserves the lactase. You're not burning the hell out of it, and so it's technically easier. But keep in mind, you should only get it from like a farm where the cows are healthy, and you know the cows are healthy, so like grass fed, whatnot. If the cows live an unhealthy life, then do not drink that shit. But for sure.
I have to give that a roll.
For sure.
That'll be my big adventure today.
why is my...
Yo, I got the internet company coming today. I'm gonna get my 3 gigabytes download speed today. institutions to the fucking ground.
He wants to literally be a minute ahead of us.
Bro's been 1 minute ahead to 2 minutes ahead. That shit, bro.
Let's go.
Bro, Fallopian, when you told me to just control Z, changed my life.
What's that do?
If you like accidentally delete one of your indicators, just control Z.
I just hit the back button. But I'm guessing that's what Control Z does.
Bro, you know my London Highs indicator that I prep money from, bro? One time I fucking deleted it. And I couldn't find it on the indicator, because I guess the nigga removed it, but I still had it. And I was so fucking pissed. Then I remember the Control Z thing, and I was like, holy fuck, that shit saved my life.
Fallopian, are you here?
Chinley preschool knowledge?
So
Okay.
Alright, I took profits. We are. There's also a 15-minute trend line that we're rejecting off of perfectly.
But you must have. How much did you bank today?
I am up 1,500 per account.
Is that London Highs? 25,880?
I've got London Highs marked as 361.
Oh, okay, yeah. Fallopian, so like you see where my limit order is here? Why will it enter me into the market here? If I click buy now, it's going to enter me into the market. I don't know, I just click trade and then drag this. It's just a limit. Like that. Yeah, but I don't know why they would make it so complicated like that. Does it have to be this? Or this? Which one? Top or bottom one? Or is this my stop loss? Buy one stop, buy one stop at 25,249. So it's buy stop, not buy stop limit.
You might think I'm crazy, but I think we could take out AM lows today.
I don't think it's that crazy, to be fair.
Yo, I was just thinking that, and I'm like, do I want to look for a short position here? The answer is no, because I already made my money. But yeah, that's a good idea.
If we take out London Highs that is so bullish on the higher time frame,
Yeah.
not that bullish. We just respected a downward trend line perfectly. That would prevent us from going for London Highs.
That 15-minute was fucking beautiful.
So anyway, yeah, I did take shorts. We'll see.
Didn't inverse the 1, respected the 2, inverse the 3, inverse the 4. Inverse the 5 as well. Damn. I need a good. Because this eval's in the gutter. This is hold until it blows.
Oh, nice. Nice, Jack. I like that. I like that.
I'm gonna inverse that 1 minute.
The problem is we could put in a double top or try to resweep before we go down. But with such a strong move higher, I mean, Mark might want to keep out all the longs.
So with my rules here, until the last 15-minute candle gets embossed, I'm not entering short. So we're at, I think it's like 158 is where that candle ends. So all this stuff that's in play up here, not interested until that 15-minute closes, and that's my confirmation of the reversal. And then I'll take a short in these lower ones down here.
Yeah, I mean it's a safer bet, 100%.
Especially when we've already made money today.
2 minute respected. 2 minute inverse to 1 minute respected. ES is obviously a bit higher up as well. It's looking tough. Might stop me out here. Just need to see it really print a fucking limousine candle right now. Go on, limousine, please. Limousine.
Come on, Tom, get your shit together, bud.
Yeah, one TP at 095 and one at ARMs.
Oh, the 2 minute inverse that we took. Also to the 3.
I added to my position there.
That's awesome that we're all like, yeah, we could be pretty bearish. Just straight back to the week open.
Jack throwing a Hail Mary on his fucking eval. Let's go.
Bro, I had $100 left. I had $100 left.
Oh shit! You should be fucking even now.
No, I want this bitch to hold. I want to hold this bitch.
That's like a good check.
Surely this will pass the account from this trade if it hits this. Surely 140 points, 2 minis.
Do the math. You get a minute or two before that hits.
Yeah, it's 5,600 something, but yeah, it should definitely.
Does Alpha have drawdown, like trailing drawdown on evals?
Nah, no trailing drawdown with Alpha or top step.
Almost to my first TP.
Come on, Nasdaq, just melt for me, baby. Wait, 2k from here, 2,000 divided by 40 is 50 points. No, I need more. Reject off this liquidity point level. Come back down, please. Tapped into the gap. We don't want to fill it anymore now. Bottom 25% of the gap.
Yes, barely got some of that.
Be a crazy RR trade if this hits though. Fuck me, 26. I'm gonna go piss.
Oh man.
The fact that Jackson has traded and walked away is giving me anxiety.
Please. Keep going. Keep dropping, please.
That's inverse 30-second, inverse on both contracts.
Should be enough here.
First TP hit.
Boom.
Nice
I
dusting.
may have slapped on that 30-second because that looked too nice.
Nice one, James.
And I took TP right where Dustin would call that out.
Holy shit, boys.
I'm moving my last TP down to 845. The quarterly open. We take out the AM session low, then we're going for a new fuel off.
I just hit that fucking trade 5.2k. I just
Nice one, James.
bro,
Oh,
bro, holy shit. That is nuts. I had $100 left of drawdown and passed the account. Are you fucking dumb? Are you fucking dumb? What a day.
But I've also been ticked out. Like by a tick. One account by a tick, and then it
Bro, that is
go all the way to
insane.
passing.
Let me put that bitch on trade of the week with these fuckers.
I can't believe I bought the AM, the 30-second at the bottom and sold the 30-second at the top.
Yeah, that's insane. Holy shit. Oh, it was all in sync, boys. What? Holy shit. What a fucking trade. What a trade. Holy shit. See you later, Tom. Yeah, see you later, Woodsy. Bro, do you know what? I actually lied. I had $45 left to draw down, but it accidentally entered me into the market and I closed at $40. So it gave me a little bit more. How much did I actually have? Holy shit, boys. I can't believe I just fucking hit that. That is insane. That's one thing I'm going to start doing more is when the trade is going in our direction, is just add to the position.
Oh yeah, Jack. That can be huge. That some of my biggest days were when I was adding to a trade rather than
It's the
taking profits.
Right, trust. It's a lot of money.
We just touched that the hourly fair value gap on both. And it was see where we broke out this morning higher. We rejected off that level too. I don't know. I hope we continue lower. It's a valid reaction for sure. React off the 1 hour and where we broke out this morning.
Yeah, how many points was that? 197 down to
where was it?
80?
I want to. Let me check it.
112 points.
Is that how much it was? I was in at 198. I was in at 198 down to. No, I was in at 197, and I got my position closed at 71 or some shit.
Just over 100 points, whatever.
Did you guys see that Trump's now calling for the release of the Epstein files?
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Well, I guess Trump's got nothing to worry about then.
Is he actually? He's calling for the release of the Epstein files.
Yeah, he's like, okay, House Republicans, please go ahead and vote for the release. Maybe they got some good ones from Trump. They went out there. But they finally finished scrubbing Trump from all of them.
It'll be really interesting here if on the 15 we come back up, and then inverse that trend line and just rocket ship from there. I doubt it's gonna happen, but just saying that'd be fucking.
This was an appropriate retracement for that to happen.
Yeah, that's why I brought it up. I'm like, this is actually a kind of a spike back here.
Yeah, I'm watching. I've got 2 micros as a runner, watching closely. I'd like to hold them in case, like I could see today being bearish. If they're bearish, then I got a good sell. Protect for the day.
Shit, someone's here to see me. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.
See you later, brother.
We're also due for some chop. Oh shit, I saw that background on. How do I look this for my gents? Get an interview today.
Let's have a look.
Forgot I still had that background on.
Join the meeting. Oh yeah, sorry. I was just hunting.
At least the video call's not on Discord, you know. So.
What position is it? Similar to your old one?
It'd be working for a commodities brokerage. So unlike anything I've done before.
So what would that actually entail? What would you be doing?
I'd be be a stockbroker, but for ag, hedging risk when it comes to livestock and grains.
Blowing their money rather than the personal funds. Yeah, but no, I guess that one is a little bit more easier to do because I guess you're taking loads of things into account at that point, no? Like news and shit like that. It's not just like.
And then it's hedging, right? So it's like they already have one side of the puzzle. They already they're producing hogs, for example. So they need to hedge the price at profitable levels throughout the year based on it's not jumping in and out. It's just protecting the risk of the price risk on their assets.
Yeah. Let's see.
So it is easier from that extent. I did that for farmers way back in the day. I was very, very good at it. So this would be, rather than working with farmers, it'd be working for commercial companies. Like my customers, as opposed to farmers, to be more commercial based folks. And then I meet with my old company tomorrow. They already said they want me back. So they said, yeah, let's meet tomorrow to discuss opportunities for you. Like, as in, like, there are many options for us to. They indicated that there are options, different options for them to employ me. So, I don't know. That's good. But at this rate, I'm not going to need a job.
What's the post to on? What does that mean? Oh,
Position. Oh. I don't know. Commodities broker until I know. Something of that nature. Position. Yeah, they don't have a job opening Fallopian, but they like me. And it appears they might make space for me if it makes sense, sort of thing.
Yeah,
The company's not actively hiring, but they've reached out to me to try and hire me in the past. And then I told them what I was doing, and I reached back out, and they said huge respect for what you've done, tip of the hat. For the commodities broker. So they sought me out previously, and I turned them down. And then I reached back out. I was like, I might actually, I might need something. So yeah, that's why I don't have a actual title. How you Fallopian. Well, I'm still holding. Jackie passed their accounts.
Yeah, just the one. Yeah, but so I'm just gonna focus on this account, but I kind of want to pass this as well and just like I think the best thing for me to do is just ignore the PAs I got and just focus on evals for November because my headspace is just so fried right now. Like trading last week was horrible, bro. Like I hated it. I wanted to get off at like this time, every day last week. I didn't want to trade. My headspace was just not there. So I said to myself, I probably just need to take November off. So, I mean, I guess I could take November off trading PAs. I just need to see how I feel throughout the week and maybe next week. But I'm just, I'm really struggling with my personal life at the moment.
Yeah, I'm sorry, dude. I know the pain.
So yeah, I'm just I'm not sure what to do right now. I'm kind of lost.
I personally have risked down tremendously. I'm taking really good trades, being patient, focusing on executions as opposed to greed and money.
Do you?
And yeah, really kicks my pants to have to be talking to companies about a job.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Do you feel like because you're speaking to companies about a job, etc., is it is it helping you trade better?
Yeah. And another thing, this is something that I probably had that no one else has, but I was doing some stupid shit. I've spent a shitload of money, and oh, my wife was very supportive of all, but I didn't tell her the extent of the debt or the financial burden that I was putting on myself. And having that aired out and the guilt of that, no longer feeling guilty and that I need to rush and force things um, is nice.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
It was unnecessary pressure
Yeah,
to be living behind kind of a lie. Um, so yeah, I was doing stupid shit. It's like, oh, I'll just force it because I need to fix this real quick.
yeah. I know exactly what you're talking about, bro. I know exactly what you're talking about. So it's like psychologically, it helps you massively when you're in the job market. Kind of brings you back to reality a little bit and helps you just become a better trader. That's why, like, it's nice to have, like, if you can run a job side by side, it's so fucking good because you're constantly reminding yourself of why you need to do things properly, even if you don't need the money per se.
Yeah, that I don't think I'll be doing it side by side. With this commodities broker, if I'm in a position like that, I wouldn't be allowed. It would be really not cool for me to be day trading
Really? What?
alongside being a financial advisor, like a broker. I might even get like my Series 3 and stuff. And yeah, entangling those two worlds is not cool. Um, I am watching for an exit here. This is not looking good. I don't want to sit through a really deep retracement.
Semi had a crazy trade on an eval.
Yeah, it's really going to be one or the other, Jimmy. Um,
Fuck you, Sam. Yeah, one or the other. That does suck. Because you can be a phenomenal day trader, bro. Because, bro, you told me Friday we'd play and you didn't, so I thought, fuck this guy. I'm doing my own thing. I was playing Tarkov anyway because of the wipe come out. Bro, yeah, Sam, I had a crazy trade. Bro, I had $45 left of drawdown or like $85 left of drawdown because, yeah, it was about $85 left of drawdown. Bro, and I passed it with one trade. $5,045 I made on the trade. Insane. That was almost as satisfying as because it's such a smaller position size as in minis. Like it's not the same as if it was like Apex with 10 minis, where I only had 2 minis and I'd done it with that. Like it felt as satisfying as getting a $1,000 win on a PA. Like literally just as satisfying. Even though in theory it's completely fake. It means nothing. I didn't actually make 5.4k $5,000. It was just as satisfying. Holy shit, that was so nice. I actually needed that more than I realized. Jake Paul, Anthony Joshua, boxing. That's insane.
Yeah, Jack, but at this rate, I'll be just fine. Oh, I'm almost out of drawdown on 5 take profit trader, 150Ks.
You're
You
seeing
know,
it.
I'm up 11 grand today. Here soon I'll be doing that for myself, you know.
What? So what? As in the buffer or the drawdown?
The buffer is almost built.
Fucking GG, bro.
I've got 5K to go, 1,000 per account.
You know, like if you spoke to someone at Take Profit Trade or whatever, and you said to them, "Oh, you was going for a job or whatever," they would think you're crazy. Because they'd look at your statistics and they'd look at your stats and how you trade and the trades you do catch, and they'd be like, "You're fucking crazy."
No, they'd look at my past performance and that I spent $1,500 on the pro resets so many times and say, "You're fucking crazy."
Nice, Dustin. Did you see the one I caught in fucking? I put it in the Instagram
Yeah,
chat, Dustin. It was on eval, bro. I had $45 left of the bitch. Insane. But good job, Pablo. Good job. Huh? I said to you, Pablo, not Dustin.
No, I don't. I mean, I really don't use social media. I know I need an Instagram. That would be the one to have. But I got a feeling we're going to trade higher now.
But you're not sure if we're going to trade higher. We got a nice W shape, bro.
No, I said I think we are. Yeah, I exited my shorts, my runners, and I'm long 2 micros on a W trend line break.
Tap that 2 minute, nearly tapped the 3. Didn't quite tap the 5 yet. Bro, I think everyone just done well. Like Woodsy jumped off, he done well. Fucking Tanner jumped off, he done well. Fallopian hops between the streams like a little slut. And I don't know. I don't know. Tom struggled.
I don't think he wasn't. I don't think he was there too great.
That's what I said to him on the chat. He just needs to relax a little bit. He worries too much about other fair value gaps. Like when I was on stream, we had the 1 minute inversion, and I said we swept liquidity, we filled these gaps. I said we had 7 convictions there. I said you don't have to worry too much about this gap. But he worries, and he's like, "Oh, bro, we had to tap the 30 minute." Like, He worries too much about every gap, and he needs to identify when to not worry about the gaps. Especially like the thing is when we come down like this, so market open here, like market opens here, we pump down, we shoot this liquidity to the left, and we fill the hourly gaps, the 4-hour gaps, etc. And then we displace up as aggressively as we do this many contracts in the market, like 9,000 contracts and 2 1-minute candles, like, bruh. You need to be able to just jump in that low. He went on a walk, Pablo.
I got out of that long. Nope, and that would have been break even. So yeah, I'm done for the day. Plus 2,300 per account.
Yeah, I'm pretty done for the day. I do want to try past this account. That would be nice. But if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. If it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be.
You got a job interview with commodities brokerage.
I thought blue collar is construction, no?
I don't think I'm actually going to, Pablo. It's just a mental thing to scare me into following my rules.
Yeah, I don't really want a job, but like I'm worried about next year, bro. I don't want to just be reliant on the charts. I want to be able to sit back when price is bad and say, okay, I don't really care. Because I'm not fussed about making money off Discord. And courses, like I'll always help people. Like if people want to help and want help, I'll always help them. But like I don't want to be one of those traders that makes money from Discord and shit. I'd rather be unknown. And then when people do find out about you, it's like, holy shit, this trader's insane and he's hella low key. Like that's enough proof in itself. When someone's not pushing a course and fucking money like that, that's enough evidence.
Yeah, not gonna lie, I did put 2 micros on short. I'm up 200 already.
Damn, nice.
It took 30-second inverse, and it also dropped back below
You want to see
the trend
reaction,
line.
yeah. But yeah, it's just set that low.
We reacted off the VWAP perfectly. I think we might chop some more.
We've created an SMT and we've also just built up trend line as well.
But AM session lows should be in the cards, and then some. Could be wrong.